Hi, to recover deleted photos on your Xiaomi Mix Flip, as a first step, let's open Gallery app. So, here on the bottom of the display, you can see those two tabs, Photos and Albums. In this Photos section, you would need to take a look at the upper panel, tap on the three dots, then go in the Deleted Items, and here you'll see all of your recently deleted photos which you can recover. You just need to hold it like that. And now you can either delete it permanently or you can restore it. Let's tap restore and now it should appear right in your gallery. So if you use not gallery app but photos, I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted photos in this app too. So let's open it, and here we got more categories. So switch just to this collection tab. Here on the top of the display you would see the trash section. Go in there and here you'll be able to also check all of your recently deleted photos and recover them. Just tap this select button, select any photos you want to recover and select this option to restore. And here confirm. And now this photo will appear in your gallery as well. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.